So now we will read about the time frame of history. So as we know, history is a journey across time. So the historians have divided our past into three periods. The first one is your ancient history, the second one is your medieval history, and the last one is your modern history. So the time period up to 8th century is regarded as your ancient history. The time period between 8th to 18th century is known as your medieval history, and lastly the time period after 18th century is known as your modern history. So your ancient history refers to that very distant past when early men had not yet learned the art of writing. To understand ancient history, archaeologists dug deep into the ground and historians drew conclusions by the availability of physical remains like bones, tools, weapons, coins, pots, jewelry, etc. Then the medieval history. It is the period between the advent of literacy and writing of the historians. Also, the archaeological sources give us valuable information about this period. And this Indus Valley civilization is one of the example of our medieval history. And lastly, the modern history. It deals with the period of written records of the past events. Thus, this modern history deals with a certain period in past.